how do you get a stakeholder or a decision maker talk to your agents?
We've been doing this for quite some time. We've been in business since 2004. And I think the telemarketer or the sales development rep is trained to do it. It's a matter of saying the right words, getting their attention. The initial 60 seconds in the phone is the most important, though. You need to build that rapport to your target audience and make sure that you're kind of more precise on what exactly are you talking about. You need to like turn the tables into your end as to making them realize that they need to talk to you rather than it's you needing them or getting your attention. So I think that's it.